But as a kid, I went with my father on Sunday morning to a minyan, and I remember all that shuckling and davening. And before I could read, I remember sitting in our rec room in the basement, and we had a handyman named Charlie Gordon. I was sitting on a little blue chair, and I had a book in front of me, and I was going like this. And the men who were helping create the walls in the room said to Charlie Gordon, "What is she doing?" And he said, "She's praying," because I so had absorbed that way of davening. And when
How old were you, roughly?
I was before I could read, so I was 3 or 4.
Okay.
And when I was in my 60s, I guess, Tikkun magazine had its first conference in New York, and I went, and I remember Michael Lerner saying, "Who wants to daven with Reb Zalman, Shachta Shalom?" And I had never davened at age 60, whatever I was, and I went in there, and I did that the way I remembered.